Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to build a game where the user plays rock paper scissors against the computer in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to build a game where the user plays rock paper scissors against the computer. Make sure you are showing all the steps and explain each step and each line of code in detail to someone who is a beginner in coding. Please show the complete code at the end. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. First, let's set up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it rockpaperscissorsgame.java. Step 1. Import required libraries. Import java.util, scanner. Import java.util, random. Here, we import the scanner class to take user input and the random class to generate random numbers, which will be used for the computer's choice. Step 2. Create the main class. In this step, we set up the main class. We create a scanner object to read user input and a random object to generate random numbers. The while, true, loop is used to keep the game running indefinitely until the user chooses to quit, option 4. The scanner.close statement closes the scanner to prevent resource leaks. Step 3. Define getChoiceName method. The getChoiceName method takes an integer representing the user's or computer's choice and returns the corresponding name, rock, paper, or scissors. We use a switch statement to match the input choice with the appropriate name. Step 4. Define determineWinner method. The determineWinner method takes two integer parameters, user choice and computer choice. It returns an integer value to indicate the result, 0 for a tie, 1 for a user win, and 2 for a computer win. The method uses nested if and else if statements to determine the winner based on the choices made by the user and the computer. Now we have the complete code for the program. The main class controls the flow of the game. It uses the scanner to get the user's choice and compares it with the computer's randomly generated choice. The result of each round is determined using the determineWinner method, and the winner is displayed using the getChoiceName method. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the code, javac rockpaperscissorsgame.java. Run the program, Java rock paper scissors game. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 1 for rock. It shows computer chooses rock, so it's a tie. Let's enter 2 for paper, it says computer choose paper and it's a tie again. Let's choose 3 for scissors, it says computer chooses rock and computer wins. Oh no! Let's enter 4 to quit the program. Great, the game is running smoothly. This program demonstrates the basic concept of creating a rock-paper-scissors game in Java. You can build upon this foundation to enhance the game's features and interactivity. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.